Well, here it is. Whole thing is finished. I was able to put those two Excalibur fans down here. This one's still a little dirty, as you can see. I tried my best to clean it off, but dust is on there pretty thick. I might take it apart later and clean it off more, but overall, I'm really happy with how it came out. See those LED fans are up here, and they're turned to about, I would say, around 50% of their maximum speed. And I have the Excalibur down here and these two running full blast. So those are really pulling the air in and having it circulate around, and these guys are just kind of very lightly exhausting the air out. So hopefully, like I said before, it'll become a positive air pressure system overall. I really like how it came out. The LEDs are bright enough to light up my case, but not so bright as to be irritating and annoying. I'm going to do a little demo of the lights in a little bit where I'm going to turn actually the light that I have over here off so you can see what it looks like. But overall, I think it came out really well. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post in the comments, and I'll catch you guys later.